Did you know that leaving surface moisture on your meat or veggies can actually ruin their flavor and texture? One tiny mistake could wreck your meal. Whether you're tossing steak on a skillet or grilling tofu, how you prep your ingredients makes a huge difference in how your dish turns out. Excess moisture turns into steam when it hits a hot pan, preventing that beautiful golden crust we all crave for in our favorite food. Patting your ingredients dry with a paper towel helps them crisp up, locking in flavor instead of letting it wash away with unwanted steam. It's not just about taste. Drying meat, veggies, and tofu also helps them cook more evenly, so you avoid that unappetizing, soggy texture. This step is especially important for marinades to stick properly, ensuring every bite is packed with the flavors you've worked hard to create. Next time you're in the kitchen, take a moment to gently blot your ingredients dry before cooking. You'll notice the difference immediately. So for perfectly seared, flavorful dishes every time, don't skip this simple step. Your taste buds will thank you for it. If this made your cooking better, hit like. Follow and subscribe to Chef Didn't Tell You for more secrets they keep in the kitchen. Drop a comment if you're trying this, and share this with someone who needs to level up their cooking.